Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give and provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.